Good morning, everybody. Today, in English Reader, we will start chapter number 6 Tenali Raman and the Peach. Very interesting story, students. So, listen it carefully. Let's begin. You can see what are these? These are peaches. Okay? And you can see who is he? He is Tenali Raman. Now students, I will tell you about who is Tenali Raman. A little bit introduction. Tenali Raman was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker and a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishna Deva Raya. He is famous for his intelligence. He is very intelligent, students. He is a problem solver. Okay. Whenever a problem arises in the court of King Krishna Dev Raya, Tenali solves it with skills. Okay. His story is also very conveying many good values to all the students. You can ask your parents also about Tenali Raman. They must be aware of, must be heard stories, good values stories of Tenali Raman. Okay, आप पूछ सकते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से भी. So let's begin this story. So as you can see, he is Tenali Raman. So what happened? Let's read. Read this story about a clever man called Tenali Raman. He was so clever that even the king could not say angry with him for long, even when Tenali had done something wrong. Students, Tenali Raman was very clever, okay? And king also not stay so much angry on Tenali Raman. Okay, if he does something wrong, the king also not angry on him. Let's begin this chapter. The Emperor of China once sent some peaches to King Krishnadeva Raya. He sent a message along with the fruits, explaining that the delicious fruits would give a long life to anyone who ate them. So, students, once upon a time, the Emperor of China sent peaches to King Krishnadevaraya, and along with the peaches, he sent one message also. And message is, if anybody eat these fruits, would give a long life to the eater who will eat that fruit. Okay? Tenali Raman had never seen peaches before, and he was tempted to see plum pink fruits. So students, as you can see in the picture, so he was so tempted. Tempted means attracted, because he never seen peaches before. Okay, so Raman picked up one of the fruits and then, without thinking much, he bit into it. Raman picked one of the fruit, okay, one peach, and he bit into it. The king was very angry. You have bitten into a fruit meant for me? He shouted loudly. King shouted loudly and said, You have bitten into a fruit meant for me? For this you will be punished. The king ordered his guard to take Tenali Raman to the prison. Okay? Prison means jail. Okay? As Raman was being taken away by the royal guard, he exclaimed with a sigh, What a liar the Emperor of China is! He says peaches give long life. I took just one bite and I am about to go to prison. Oh, what will happen to a person who eats a whole peach? So, student, Sigh means a long deep breath. Okay? And the king was greatly amused by Raman's wit. Amused means pleased, okay? And wit means able to say or write clever things, okay? So he not only forgave him but also gave Tenali a dozen of the peaches he had risked his life for. Now, students, what king did? He was amazed by saying when Raman said, if what the emperor of the China was saying, what he said, if anybody eat these fruits will give the long life. But he said, if I just a bit of one peach and I was go to prison, what will happen the person who will eat all these peaches? So the king was amused by the bit of the Raman, and after that he forgave the Tenali Raman and he gave dozens of peaches to the Raman. Students, I hope you like this story. Now I will explain little bit about this story about Tenali Raman. Okay, so the story about तेनाली रामन, ये स्टोरी है एक तेनाली रामन के बारे में. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लेवर था. ठीक है बच्चों, और एक बार क्या हुआ, जो एम्परर था, ठीक है, चाइना के जो एम्परर था, उन्होंने क्या किया, पीचेस भेजे. किसको भेजे पीचेस? किंग कृष्णदेव राय को. ठीक है, और उसमें एक मैसेज भी लिखा हुआ था. मैसेज क्या था? अगर ये पीचेस कोई भी खाएगा तो उसकी उम्र बहुत लंबी होगी. ठीक है ना, किसी को भी लंबी उम्र दे सकता है. और रमन वो पीचेस को देख के बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हो गया था, टेम्पटेड हो गया था. ठीक है ना, तो उसने फटाफट से जाकर वो पीचेस को, एक पीच को बाइट कर लिया, मतलब उसको खा लिया. अब खाने के बाद में कृष्णदेव, उसने किसी को भी नहीं देखा, उसने राजा को भी नहीं देखा, किसी को भी नहीं देखा, प्रजा को भी नहीं देखा, और उसने फटाफट से जाकर बिना इधर उधर देखे उस पीच को एक बाइट कर लिया. और इतनी ही देर में राजा कृष्णदेव राय बहुत एंग्री हुए, बहुत गुस्सा हुए, और उन्होंने बोला, ये फ्रूट्स मेरे लिए आए थे और रमन तुमने किस तरह इन फ्रूट्स को खा लिया. ठीक है ना, अब तुम्हें पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. और राजा ने अपने गार्ड्स को बोला कि रमन को आप जेल में डाल दो. फिर जब रमन को लेके जा रहे थे तब तेनाली रामन ने क्या कहा कि जो एम्परर ऑफ चाइना था वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मैंने तो पूरा फ्रूट भी नहीं खाया, एक से बाइट ही लिया था और मुझे जेल में डाल दिया. सो अगर उसके साथ क्या होगा, अगर जो ये पूरे फ्रूट पीचेस, जो पीचेस उन्होंने भेजे हैं वो खा लेगा तो उसके साथ क्या होगा. तो ये बात सुनकर राजा ने उन्हें माफ़ कर दिया और उन्हें डजन्स ऑफ पीचेस भी खाने के लिए दिए. ठीक है, मज़ा आया ना स्टोरी में? आई ऑल्सो लाइक इट. ओके, इफ़ यू फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी इन दिस चैप्टर यू कैन आस्क मी इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके, बाय बाय एंड रीड दिस चैप्टर. ओके.